Hi, everybody. It's Kim here. I get to do the fun stuff. This is our drawing for our Amazon gift cards for Australia, New Zealand, and the USA and Canada for Pure 30. Ladies, get ready. We had so many of you participating in the program. I'm just thrilled. Almost 2,200 members participated in this program. And of our entries for Australia and New Zealand, it's almost 900 entries into the contest. And in the USA, we have almost 1,300 entries into the contest, USA and Canada. And so I want to just first start by saying thank you, Shannon. You are just amazing. It's been such a fun experience, and I really look forward to our calls and just chatting about something I'm so passionate about. And I hope all of you have enjoyed the new information. Maybe it's not necessarily new for some of you, but maybe there's something unique or different that you learned from the program. Please let us know. And if you had some very interesting results that you want to share, we would love to hear that too. So let me get started on this drawing because I know you're all anxiously awaiting. And, use your Amazon gift cards really well. Maybe you want to buy a Vitamix. Maybe you want to buy some of the things you didn't get to buy, some of those hard to find ingredients for some recipes. So let's start with the USA and Canada. Okay, here we go, everybody. This is one big blur, and I'm looking at this, and it's spinning, and we have Monica Tugaff, Tugaeff, from Curves, Sacramento. Congratulations, Monica. Kim, this is your club. This is so great. Really big congratulations to you. Have fun spending your gift card. Okay, everybody, let's jump into Australia and New Zealand, and let's see who we've got here. Everything's locked and loaded for me, making things easy. Okay, we are spinning. It's a big blurry purple wheel. Here we go. Let's see who's going to be our winner. And it is Susan McCullum. Susan McCullum from Curves Rosebud. You are our winner. Oh, wow, that's exciting. Okay, ladies, wow. That is a wrap on our Pure 30 prizes. There are other drawings in the portal. Please do not miss those other drawings for salt and pepper shakers, the Jamaica tea from Mexico that I brought back, and the sourdough bread starter kit. So everybody, thank you so much for your participation. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed it as much as we did. Keep in mind, we are going to keep this portal open until a lot of new members get to complete their 30 days. So throughout the month of July, we'll keep the portal open. You can have a look around. Maybe there's a few things you missed or something you want to watch again. You're certainly welcome to do that. But at the end of July, we will be closing the portal. So enjoy it, everybody. And that's a wrap on Pure 30 2026. I'll see you later. Bye.